Speedy meme coin. Is this a low market cap gem that you will wish you would have got into in 3 months coming up? Well, we're going to talk about that in this particular video because I've been doing some research, spotted a bit of alpha, and actually, yeah, this is quite interesting. So if we just look at this wallet right here on screen, this low market cap meme, we know meme coins are, of course, volatile, they are risky, but it is a massive narrative now. This wallet here, look, holding over $1 million in USD. Also has a chunk of turbo tokens, and quite recently you can see here, look, they were buying Speedy. This is a meme coin that I'm going to show you today because you might not have seen it before, but this is it right here. So it looks cool. Speedy the turtle, it's got that kind of very simple layout again, like all of the other meme coins that are going wild right now. And when we look at Speedy, we can see from a market POV, not many centralized exchanges, actually basically nothing, but overall, it could be a narrative that does actually play out quite well because the market cap right now is low and we don't know what their plans are for the coin, but it could be like the coin is just gearing up for some big launches that happen soon. But just based on this sort of alpha, of course, it could be just something that's psyching people out, but it could also be like a legit thing that's going to happen. So it's just worth putting out there to speculate on that it might be something big. Now, firstly, I just want to say big congrats to all the traders in the Discord. If you want to make some money, time, location, financial freedom, do check out the Discord right down below, or become a patron if you want to get all those VIP benefits which you will unlock in the Discord. We've also got the WAP store now live and ready to go, so check out those two options down below if you're serious about your crypto. But yeah, Speedy at the moment, guys, look at this. On the month, it's had a beautiful run, very, very bullish. You can see we've got some figures that we will look at on screen as well. We're going to also look at Solana in this video and as to why I think it's going to hit $200 very soon. But looking at Speedy, it had a good run, 21st of October, and it's corrected a little bit, which has kind of allowed us to spot that. Firstly, we've got this corrective phase on our 0.786 Fibonacci, which is right down here, perfectly corrected. But it is in a new looking uptrend, and this uptrend that we're seeing looks like a beautiful ascending channel, and we could get some sustenance with this. If we do see sustenance, I predict that we will break out of this symmetrical triangle that is being formed right now and see an 11% pump to the upside, especially if Bitcoin does decide to also pump and have a bit of fun. But if we actually really start to think about it, like where could this coin go? If we use our fib extension, this could actually go up to like 0.057 just based on the technical analysis side, not even the fundamentals. So a healthy 2x could be realistic from this current region without getting too AP and bullish and just, you know, screaming that it's going to do 100x. So it could be a coin that is actually a good play here and worth taking a look at. I'll definitely leave a link down below for you guys to have a look at the website and the charts if you want to for this particular coin. But what do you think on this alpha? We could see just looking at it, and I do hold like 84k worth, 84k, not worth dollars, but like a couple grand of it, because I think it could move up, and it's risky because it could still move down. I understand it could move down, but if it really is being backed by the people that have already pushed very successful coins, then I wouldn't want to miss out on that chance, right? So that's why I'm kind of playing this play over here, just in case. Now looking at it, we can see liquidity 655k, market cap is 29 million, holders just 3.6k. If we look at the last 24-hour buys, we have 564 buys, we have 488 sells. So overall, the buying volume is surpassing on all time frames except the 1 hour. Actually, no, every single time frame there are more buys than sells. So that's pretty bullish, actually. Insights wise, DEX tools score 99 on 99. Perfect. That is what you want to see for a meme coin that is launching or pushing. And when we look at the data here, it's only very early September that Speedy has been kicking off. That's only a month. These things don't happen overnight. And to see it consolidating after this particular all-time high, it does make me extremely bullish, really, because it could be the next big one, right, in the meme space. Now, I also want to talk about something else. Donald Trump on crypto.
But for too long, our government has violated the cardinal rule that every Bitcoiner knows by heart. Never sell your Bitcoin.
Donald Trump saying never sell your Bitcoin is so bullish. So POLITIFY tokens are also a thing. With that in mind, Freedom Fighters is a new POLITIFY token. I thought I would show you guys. It's in phase 1 of its pre-sale. And what makes me excited is when we look at the pre-sale price, it's 0.00006. Why this is interesting is because the pre-sale stages, you can actually see here that phase 4, it's worth 0.000125, which does assume over a 2x over here. which could be very, very bullish. So over a 2x for this meme coin, which could, well, Politify meme coin token, which could also soar when it launches beyond 5 to 10x. Not financial advice, of course, but it's one worth looking at. Got a very nice roadmap, very nice ecosystem breakdown. It's all about Kamala Cop versus the Margatron. So it's basically Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump here, but in a sort of an ecosystem that allows people to support both sides. You're going to get traffic and users, a community from both sides on the Karma versus the Margatron side. So really cool animations and quite a cool project. The link is down below if you want to research it. And if you are looking to obtain some of this coin, it's a very simple one where you connect your Phantom MetaMask wallet, convert either Ethereum, Solana, Tether, or whatever you want, into your dumb tokens, your freedom fight tokens. Now, this is a big coin, and when you Google it, there's a lot of big insights about it, and it could indeed be a good one. But remember, please, this is not financial advice. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Same goes for the SPEEDY token as well. Lastly, Solana. $175 here for Solana. Whoa, I'm out of breath. Gosh. Now, Solana, $175. To me, is a great time because look at this yearly chart. Consolidation is the word. We've got a lot of consolidation here, and looking at Solana right now, it's in a massive daily macro symmetrical triangle, and it has attempted to break this resistance on the diagonal multiple times. First thing I think will happen is we get a breakout, 70% pump, move to the upside to $206. The second thing I think will happen is a bigger pump, 45%, up to the local, well actually the all-time high of $259. So I do think this all-time high play is on the way soon. And then lastly, I think what we'll see at the end of this bull run is Solana price between $300 and $600, which would be absolutely fantastic. If that happens, everyone's going to be happy. We're all printing, and things could be very interesting. Very good, in fact. So yeah, we're in a great time, guys. Crypto is the number one thing in the world, in my opinion. Without crypto, a lot of millennials are going to struggle because fiat currency is dying and it's not easy anymore. Buying homes, buying property, it's not easy like it used to be. So unfortunately, or not for unfortunately, but I think if you don't buy at least some crypto in your lifetime and you're someone that's under 30 years old, I think it will be very difficult in the future to actually firstly acquire crypto, but to also just get by. So it depends what your goal is in life. Of course, if you want to get more insights and benefits, you can check out the Patreon down below for futures, spot, leverage, education, courses, all that juicy stuff. Check out the Freedom Fighters pre-sale down below as well, and have a look at SPEEDY if that is something you are interested in. This is a few plays here, but I think, to be honest, these three coins here, Solana, Freedom Fighters, SPEEDY, makes a good concoction for potentially a nice little diverse portfolio. Anyways guys, see you soon, stay crypto safe, and have a wonderful day. Peace.